David, I have this client that needs to auto merge tickets in their Zendesk. Can you help me show me how to do that?
Yeah, sure. So it should be very easy to set up. Let me share my screen. So
Okay.
here you see our Zendesk instance. And for this, we just need our ticket parser.
Okay.
And
This is the Knots Ticket Parser. Okay, great.
this is the not ticket parser. So you can have several trigger activated, and you can have more search pattern within one trigger here. So like this trigger, you see we search for the ticket latest comment, and we have a lot of pattern where we search for. And you see that this that our parser has a built-in merge functionality. So what it does is it searches for a pattern here, for example, the Shopify order ID, and it stores it in a field here, the Shopify order ID field. We named it the same way. And if we enabled merging, then with a new mail coming in, it looks for the pattern which we are looking for. It searches in the background if a ticket with a given pattern is already in Zendesk, and if it is so, it will just merge the tickets together. You can have some additional checks here because sometimes you want to make sure that the mail is from the same requester or has the same description and so on. So there is the possibility to have additional checks to be sure that you merge the correct tickets. You also can say, yeah, I don't want pending tickets to be merged because there is some process ongoing, or yeah, a certain status. So here you can choose which status the target ticket should have. And yeah, you can choose to add a tag like not merged ticket.
So what you're saying is that first I can make sure that my agents don't have to find the Shopify order ID because this tool will automatically do it. And then once that automatically does it, if it finds that there's the same Shopify order ID, it'll even merge it so my agents don't have to run around and find duplicate tickets. Is that right?
Exactly, yeah, exactly like this. So let me demonstrate it. I will just update this trigger now here. So we have to, let's see if everything works, because now the first ticket will come in a second. And then we have the information. We need to wait then 1 minute, before the index. Here, I am the first ticket. So here we have this ticket.
Okay, so this is the first ticket parsed, right? So
exactly. So this is the first ticket we got here. We performed an OCR, and you see this is the criteria we gave the parser when there is another ticket with the very same Shopify order ID in this case. Then the new ticket should be merged into the more recent, the older ticket and the existing ticket, since the assumption is very often we have the case that customers are impatient and send tickets every 5 minutes or ask the next day already after the status, or sometimes we even have some flaws in automation where you get more tickets in a very short time span, which have really the same topic. So we merge the tickets if there is already one there. So the new one, the more recent one, will be merged in the already existing one. Okay, so yeah, here we have this, and I also, if everything works out, I also gave it here as a comment. So new tickets will be merged to me. Let's see if this will be really the case. So it should work now. I will now send the exact same message here, just with another comment. Will be merged in the target. Let's see if this works. I will mention the target. Now it updates the stuff. And let's see. Sometimes you have to reload it so that you see it. And closed. You see, whoop, it's closed. And this ticket is now merged here. Has been merged into this ticket. You see there is the 198. I will be merged in the target. And here you have the attachment. the test comment, which I gave in the second ticket. So here you have the first comment, new tickets to be merged. You have also the private, so it's of course the same comment since it's the OCR was performed on both sides. Everything is merged in the target ticket, and you have the information that here was a merge. And also you see there is the tag which we gave it so that we can identify very easy over the search with like tags, not merged ticket. So we can identify all the tickets which were merged here. So that's very easy to set up, and it's literally a one-click solution.
Awesome. This is exactly what I was looking for. Thanks so much, David. I really appreciate it. And this looks like this will work for us. Thanks.
Thank you. Yeah, you're welcome.